Hi friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to unbox acrylic colors. This product I have purchased through Amazon. Many acrylic colors are available in Amazon, but I have purchased Camel Fabrica Acrylic colors because it has good ratings and reviews and it is easy to use for beginners. You can see here it is written in the box Camel Fabrica Acrylic colors 10 shades 15 ml. These are the colors available in the box. MRP is rupees 200 but I have purchased 160 rupees 20% off in Amazon. Let's unbox the colors. User Manual, the Fabrica Specialist. This is the English instructions. Getting started. Before painting, after painting. Fabrica acrylic colors for non-fabrics, brushless paintings. And this is Hindi instructions. Now I'll show you all the colors. Light violet, sap green, ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, black, crimson, orange, light peach, lemon yellow, and white. Now I'll show you all the colors by painting so that you can find out the quality of the product. So watch the video till the end. Light violet. Wow, how beautiful it is. Okay friends, how is the colors? I loved it. It's really awesome. If you have any queries about this product, then let me know in comment below. I have provided the product link in description below. Have a look at this link. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.